Look at this beautiful view. Today, I'm going to take you to my room. It's in Crete, one of the largest islands in Greece. So as soon as you come out of the reception area, you walk straight down and voila, that's my room. I'll tell you how much I paid for this room. So yeah, let's go and check out the room, and I do share this video for your friends and families. If you are coming to this area, this video might be helpful. So my room is here and the restaurant's here. This is my room. Let's scan the card, open the door. So guys, welcome back to another video from Crete, specifically a hotel called Kiani Beach Resort. This is the hotel I'm staying in. This is the reception area over here, and as soon as you come out of the hotel, look at this beautiful view. Mountain, and that side mountain with snow, and that side mountain with some houses. So today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a room tour. I've done my hotel tour, so obviously if you've seen my previous video about the hotel, I walked you around this area and I showed you every single thing in this hotel. But today I'm going to take you to my room and I'll give you guys a quick room tour, and I'll show you how much, and I'll tell you how much I paid for this room. This hotel is in Crete, one of the largest islands in Greece. So this is my room. This is the back side of the room, but I will take you inside and I'll show you. So as soon as you come out of the reception area, you walk straight down and voila, that's my room. That's my room, and there you got some lemon trees over there. So yeah, let's go and check out the room, and I'll show you guys if this room is worth for the money. Let's go. Before that, guys, please hit the subscribe button and do share this video for your friends and families. If you are coming to this area, this video might be helpful. Now, good thing about my room is this side is my room and this side is a restaurant. So breakfast, lunch and dinner is just outside the door 24/7. So it's very, very good, and the pool is over that side. So let's go in, check out the room. Scan the card. So as you put the card in, put the lights up and the fan up. Here. So as you walk in, yeah, it's very beautiful. You got this side, you have a big wardrobe, and this side you have the bathroom, and here you have a very big bedroom. So yeah, as soon as you walk in, you have a bathroom on this side, and you have a big wardrobe on this side. Let me show you the wardrobe. So this is the big wardrobe. You can have some hangers in there, you can put your clothes in, and a usual safe there. You can put your valuables in there. So it's a decent size wardrobe, as I'm going to show you. As you can see, it's a very big wardrobe. Let me just open this door as well, so you can. It's a massive wardrobe, to be perfectly honest with you guys. You can put plenty of clothes in there. A very good concept here in this side is something that I've never seen in normal hotels, especially in a full board hotels. It's a small, medium-sized kitchen. Look at that. Let me open this. Look at this. It's a medium-sized kitchen there. The thing is, what we booked here is a full board, so I don't see the reason for us to cook and eat in here. But it is good if you are kind of not having a full board, and if you are just booking the room itself. So there's a kitchen there, you guys can kind of cook and eat. You got some glasses there, cups and plates, and you got your own sink and your cooking stuff over there, and there's a fridge over here as well. You can see there's nothing there because when you are booking the hotel with all inclusive, I don't think there is a mini bar in there. So what's in here? Cutleries, to be honest. So there's no cutleries, but having said that, we're not going to cook anything here because it's all inclusive hotel. So, but it's nice additional stuff in your room. alcohol, drinks, food, everything's available 24/7. So alcohol, food, everything is available for 24/7 in and around the hotel. So when you have all-inclusive holiday, I don't think they'll give you guys any minibars. What you see in the wardrobe, let's go and outside. Let me open this. This is a bathroom here. This is a sink and the toilet, and on this side you have the shower room, which probably can fit only one person in there. A very straightforward and simple bathroom here. That's the sink area. Water level is still got hot and cold water, and the standard loo, and the normal shower area where you can have your shower. Nice little shower head over there as well, and the usual stuff they give you, like soap, vanity sets, and like shower gels, and the body wash. And this one is ours, obviously. Bring toothpaste and etc. Normal sink. It's the hot and cold water available. Telephone there as well, and the hand cream. And these ones are ours, obviously. We bring our own toothbrush and toothpaste and stuff like that. So that's normal standard one. And this is toilet here, which you get 2 toilet rolls, but the room service is 24/7 available, so you can ask for anything you want. And the shower, this shower is a bit small. I would say maximum 2 people can get in there. Very small people, it's very small, but you don't need more than 2 people be in the shower, so it's alright. So that's the toilet area, guys, and let's go and check out the bedrooms. So as soon as you walk out from the bathroom, you have a beautiful bedroom here. Come out here, you have your bedroom. You got a nice small bed, and you got a double bed. On this side you have a nice little table, another table there to put your suitcase and luggages and everything. So my luggage and everything is over there. And you also have these plug points, like every single spaces that you can find in this hotel, also in your room. In the bed area, as you can see, that's the one there. And on the bedside you have another small table here with a telephone, and also a plug point, and usual tissues. And let's see what's inside this. And then go this side, and you have your own TV there, a small table. And when you come this side, you have another nice little desk over there with the TV, and you have your own tea making stuff. But the thing is, it's 24/7. You get food outside, because all inclusive. Anytime you want to go to a restaurant and grab something, it's free. So always when you are coming to this hotel, get all inclusive, because there's no restaurant outside or anything like that. You have to go at least 20 to 30 minutes bus ride, which is limited bus service available to get some food. So if you are coming to this hotel, my advice is get all inclusive. You got a nice little tea and coffee maker here, and they'll give you a fruit basket, and there's a nice little small desk over there. I think this room is meant to be for three beds, so we've got it for 2 people, so it's pretty good. How much did I pay you? I'll give you a full breakdown end of this video. So when you come down here, there's a nice screen there. Obviously, little balcony area. It's not a balcony; it's on the ground floor. Obviously, if you have a second floor or something, you do have balcony. So it's every single hotels around here is different. So there's a nice little area, to be honest. That's good. A nice little space where you can sit and relax in the summertime. And if you can see here, it's a nice big garden, and also there's a lemon tree here, and you have a lemon. If you have making a tequila or something, you can just pick your lemon here, and look at that. This is not lemon, it's a lime. You can pick it and make your tequila. So let me show you guys my room from the back door here. So this is the hotel room from the Crete Kiani Beach Resort. If you can see, these ones are like olive trees. See, these are olive trees. The way they've done it is very, very good. So let's go inside, close the door, and I'm going to quickly show you guys a full view of the room. So this is the one large bed, there's a small bed there, and the toilet's over there. This is where the TV, and there's another TV over here, and from the bed you can watch another TV. Obviously you got Netflix and everything on the TV as well. So how much did I pay for this hotel room? And I will put you the price and the link on the comment section. So if you guys are coming to this hotel, obviously this is the off season, that's a little bit cheaper. So if you are booking the hotels in like a peak season, it'll be very, very expensive. So check the seasons and everything. Check the prices. Obviously it varies depending on the season. Right now I'm in just beginning of April, so it's off season. So it's not expensive. That I paid very, very less for the entire trip. So if you are coming in like in mid-May or something like that, it's going to be very, very expensive. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. How much I paid for it is going to be up here and also on my description. And if you guys ever been to this place, please do leave a comment, or if you have any questions, do ask me. I'll try to help you out. By end of this trip, I'm going to be put together a help guide for you guys to kind of use that help guide to kind of navigate through Crete, Athens, or any place that I've visited. I usually do an help guide, so that will help you guys to kind of have a nice holiday without any interruption. Usually I do scams and transports and visa process and things like that. So depending on what I gather, it's all my personal experience. So that's going to be there end of this trip. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. So when I upload that video, obviously you'll be notified. So if you are coming to Crete or Athens or any country that I've visited, so those help guides might be helpful for you. So that's about it, guys. I think I'm going to end this video here. There's a lot more videos coming from Crete, and I'm going to go to a different location today after dinner. So hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.